everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for a fashionable tote bag that is very versatile, let me show you why I love this one so much. This one here can not only be a handbag, but it can also work as a purse, crossbody bag, or a tote bag. It comes in a variety of beautiful colors. This is the 1A brown color. This has many features I like. I really like how well made it is. I love that it has zipper pockets inside and compartments so you can be more organized. And I love how spacious it is. I can even fit my laptop in here. This is great for everyday use, for work, or for traveling. I also appreciate the details they added to this tote bag. It has this silver hardware buttons that just make it look so stylish and elegant. This bag is so practical, so versatile. You can fit so many things in here, making it great for everyday use. I also love the fact that this is a vegan leather tote bag. It's made out of PU leather, which means it doesn't absorb water and it's super easy to clean. So if you're looking for a versatile tote bag that is well made and high quality, check this one out, and that is my point of view.